Wake up, Ethan.
Five more minutes.
Today is your first day. Oh no.
Are you nervous?
Are you nervous?
A little.
You will do great. I hope so.
Let's eat breakfast.
Okay.
Time to go. I'm ready.
The school looks nice.
It's very big. We are here. Wow.
Welcome, Ethan.
Hello.
Come inside.
Okay.
Class, this is Ethan.
Hi, Ethan. Hi, everyone. Welcome. Welcome.
Take this seat.
Thank you. I'm Jake. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Don't worry, you show. Thanks.
It's okay.
Okay.
Who knows the answer?
I do. I do.
Correct.
Thank you.
Lunchtime.
Okay.
Can I sit here?
Can I sit here?
Of course.
Me too. Really? Really? I thought I was the only one.
Hey man, is this seat taken or are you just holding that tray for exercise? I'm Jake, by the way.
Let's play later. Sure. Let's play later. Sure.
Ready for soccer?
Yes! Pass the ball! Here!
Great kick!
Thanks. Nice goal! Awesome!
Good job, team.
Thank you.
Back to class.
Okay. What's wrong? I forgot it. I'll help. Really?
Let's work together.
Thank you. Cut this paper. Okay.
Looks great.
Thanks. We did it. Yes.
Excellent teamwork.
Thank you.
School is over.
Yay!
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Definitely.
How was school?
Amazing!
Did you make friends?
Yes.
What's his name?
Jake. Jake.
That's great.
He helped me. Isco did to Sonda's money. He helped me.
Are you scared now?
Not anymore.
We're proud of you.
Thank you.
Tell me everything.
Okay.
Ready for tomorrow?
Absolutely.
Good night.
Good night. Good night.